Okay, so welcome to our second session. So it's all about problem solving involving linear inequalities into variables. So ito yung medyo mahirap no sa mga estudyante kasi ayaw nilang nagsasolve ng problem tapos nag-iintindi pa sila in English yung problem of course. So kailangan talaga ang tulong ng English language. Kailangan ng comprehension para maintindihan niyo yung mga problems na i-discuss. Okay? So, before we proceed with this problem, yan, hindi lahat yan ay sosolvein natin. Solve. Sa ilan lang dyan ang isosolve. Mag-ano muna tayo, kailangan nyo munang ma-familiarize sa mga terms na ginagamit kapag problem solving ng linear inequalities. For example, um, meron tayong ma-encounter or kung hindi man dito sa ibang mga libro or sa ibang um, sa module, halimbawa minimum. Paano nga ba, ano nga ba yung symbol na ginagamit for minimum? So, ang ginagamit natin dito ay yung greater than or equal to. Okay? So, ang ginagamit natin ay greater than or equal to. Kapag maximum naman, ang ginagamit naman natin ay less than or equal to. Bakit naging ganon? For example, kasi we know that this is greater than, this is less than. So, bakit kaya baliktad? So, pag halimbawa, x is greater than 7, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung value daw ng x dapat mas malaki o equal sa 7. So, ano ba yung mga numbers na mas malaki sa 7? Pwedeng 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7.5, etc., etc. So, lahat yun, mas malaki sa 7. Ano yung pinakamababang number? Ang pinakamababang number na possible value ng x ay yung 7. So, ibig sabihin, the minimum is 7. Okay? Ano naman ang maximum? Halimbawa, y less than or equal to 10, 0. 10 na ako talalagay ko. Sige, 10. Yan. Y is less than or equal to 10. Ibig sabihin, ano yung pinakamataas na number na pwedeng maging value ng y? So, since ang nakalagay ay less than or equal to 10, yung mga numbers na mas mababa sa 10 ay 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, negative 1, etc. Ang pinakamataas na number doon ay yung 10. Meaning, dapat ang magiging value ng y hindi lalagpas ng 10. Di ba ganun naman yung pag ang minimum, hindi ka bababa sa, halimbawa, presyong ito. O kaya sa, pag sinabi sa'yo, please buy a minimum of, loading a minimum of 3 pencils to get a discount. So, minimum of 3. So, pinakamababa is 3. So, ang ating inequality nun ay greater than or equal to 3. Pag sinabi naman ng maximum, pinakamataas na number. And we use the symbol less than or equal to. So, ano ba yung mga terms na associated with greater than or equal to? So, meron din siya ay yung word na at least. So, ito, pag pwede rin itong basahin na x is at least 7. So, pinakamababang number ay 7. Tapos, kapag maximum naman ay at most. Okay, so, ito lang medyo nalilito yung mga estudyante. Kapag minimum greater than equal to or the word at least is associated with greater than or equal to. Pag maximum at most, we use less than or equal to. Okay? Of course, yung mga ano naman, pag sinabing more than ay greater than, madali na lang yung mga yan, mga terms na yun. Ito lang yung pinakamahalaga kasi ito yung medyo gamit na gamit. Number 1, according to the direction, write each statement as linear inequality into variables. So kapag ganyan yung direction, hindi tayo magso-solve. Ang hinihingi lang ay kung ano yung linear inequality. So, hindi mo kailangang i-solve kung ano yung total amount, etc. etc. So, basahin maigi yung instruction. Kasi dito na tataranta yung mga bata, kayong mga estudyante. So, for example, number one, in a month, the total amount the family spends for food, F, ang ibig sabihin niyan, F yung gagamiting variable as the representation for food. Amount, ayan, amount for food. So, sulat natin, F is the amount for food. And educational expenses E. So yung letter na E, that is the variable for the edu expenses. Yan, sa pag-aaral. Sabi is at most. Yan, so gagamit na tayo ng inequality. Is at most 12,000 pesos. Again, ano nga ba yung symbol for at most? 'Di ba sabi natin less than or equal to. So kapag sinulat natin to, it will become that the total amount, 'di ba? From the word total, ano yung um ano nga to? Operation. Ano yung operation na gagamitin? 'Di ba? Napag-aralan na yung elementary. Pag sinabing total, we are referring to the sum. So, addition. Kapag pinagsama raw natin yung gasto sa food at yung gasto sa education, ay sorry, pala. Education, it will be at most 12,000 pesos. So, less than or equal to 12,000 pesos. So, ito na kagad yung answer. We do not need to solve this kasi wala namang ka-solve-solve dito. Ang ginagawa lang natin is we are just writing the linear inequality or the mathematical sentence for the statement. Okay? Parang ito yung statement, tinatranslate lang natin to mathematical sentence. Next, the price of a motorcycle M. So, ayan, meron na naman tayong variable, M. Less 36,000 is more than the price of a bicycle. So, kanina, sinabi nating at most, we use less than or equal to. Kapag more than, ang ginagamit naman natin ay greater than. Okay? So, walang equal to kasi wala namang ano eh. So, more than is greater than. So, how do we write this? Sabi, M less 36,000. So, pag sabi nating less, anong operation yung nasa isip natin dito? So, pag operation, di ba less? So, ito ay babawasan. So, that is subtraction. So, what is the mathematical sentence? Can you guess? Okay. So, it's M minus 36,000 more than. So, more than the bicycle. So, more than B. B is the representation for the price of a bicycle. So, ano yung final answer natin? Ito na yung ating final answer. Next, number 3. The difference of the number of 100. Ayan, the difference. So, meron na tayong idea that the operation that we will be using for the mathematical sentence is subtraction. The number of 150 peso tickets, C. Yan, ito yung ticket. Siguro kung ito ay pang bata na ticket, tapos yung 200 yung pang adult na ticket. So, paano natin to i-represent? 150 peso tickets, C. So, that's 150 pesos times kung ilan man yung manonood. Halimbawa, kung sine man to o mag-Enchanted Kingdom. So, kung ilan yung bilang ng bata. So, that's C minus, difference, minus 200 times kung ilan yung adult. So, that's J. Okay? Is not less than 22. So, pag sinabi nating not less than, May opposite nun. So, it's more than. So, not less than 22. Yeah. Okay? Tara nga. So, ayan. Not less than is uh, greater than. Pero syempre, there is a possibility that this number here will be equal to 22. So, lalagay tayo ng equal symbol. So, greater than or equal to. So, again, not less than, greater than, or equal to. Kapag not more than, less than, or equal to. So, let's answer the following. Anne is selling bracelets and earrings to make money for summer vacation. The bracelets cost 50 pesos and earrings cost 40 pesos. She needs to make at least 800 pesos. If X is the number of bracelets, tignan natin na yan. So, X is the number of bracelets and Y is the number of earrings. What linear inequality will represent this situation? So, ang isang bracelet, 50 pesos. So, 50. Tapos, hindi naman natin alam kung ilang bracelets yun. And the representation for that number is X. Okay? Tapos, syempre, i-add natin yun. Kasi dalawa yung binibenta niya, earrings at saka bracelet. I-add natin kung magkano yung kikitain niya sa bracelet at kung magkano yung kikitain niya sa earring. So, dapat daw hindi bababa ng 800 pesos. So, meaning, kung ano yung amount dito, it should be more than or equal to 800 pesos. So, since ang hinihingi lang naman is the linear inequality in representing the situation, what is the final answer? Ito na yung ating final answer. Pero kung halimbawa, meron niyang follow-up question. And the follow-up question is, what if she sold, let's say, 10 bracelets. Yan. So, nakabenta siya ng 10 bracelets. Ilang earrings kaya yung pwede niyang maibenta para yung mabebenta niya ay mas malaki sa 800 pesos. So, by substitution, since X is the number of bracelets, we will replace X with 10. So, 50 times 10 plus 40y greater than or equal to 800. Maganda kasi na meron tayong kagad na linear inequality dahil parang ito yung nagsisilbing formula. Diyan na tayo magsa-substitute, okay, to get the value. So, 50 times 10, of course, this is 500. 40y greater than or equal to 800. So, para lang tayo nagsosolve ng linear equation. So, 40y greater than or equal to 800 minus 500. So, this is by APE, addition property of equality. 40y is greater than or equal to, so this is 300. And we can divide it both sides by 40. So, 30 over 4, so that's uh, 7, 7, 7, 7, kala, naghang 7.5. Pero syempre, wala naman tayong 7.5 na bilang ng earrings. So, dapat nasa 8 earrings ang kanyang ibenta. So, tama ba ako? 30 divided by 4. So, that's 7. Okay. Yan. So, tama. It's 7.5. Sorry. So, ayan. So, the maximum number of earrings na pwede niyang benta ay 8. Hindi pwedeng 7. So, you have to round up. Kung halimbawa 7.2 yan, mataas pa rin. So, 8 earrings pa rin. Kasi kapag 7, magkukulang na yung amount. So, round up tayo. Okay? That is one example. Next, number 2. Ito, madali lang din to. John goes to buy some food for his friends. He has 50 pesos pocket money and he's looking to buy chocolate pies for 5 pesos each and apple pies for 4 pesos each. If John buys 6 chocolate pies, what is the maximum number of apple pies can he buy? Of course, we need first the mathematical sentence and kuha tayo representation kung halimbawa C is for the chocolate pie, choco pie, tapos A for apple pie. Ang mura, no? Ang mura nito. Ayan. So, 5 kapag chocolate pie, plus apple pie natin ay 4. So, that's 4A. Tapos, ang pocket money niya, so, syempre, hindi dapat siya lalagpas ng 50 pesos. So, hindi dapat lalagpas ng 50 pesos. Bakit less than or equal to? Bakit minimum of ah yan. So, dapat hindi siya lalagpas ng 50 pesos. Kasi kapag lumagpas ng 50 pesos yung value nito, magkukulang yung pera niya. Okay? Ay, sorry. So, let's substitute. 6 is the value of T. Kasi yung bilang ng choco pie. So, 5 times 6 plus 4A less than or equal to 50. So, 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4A less than or equal to 50. 4A is less than or equal to 50 minus 30. So, this is 4A, 20. Pwede nyo na itong idiretso. Both sides are divisible by 4. So, divided by 4. Ibig sabihin, hindi, okay. So, hindi dapat lalagpas ng 5. So, A must be less than or equal to 5. So, ibig sabihin, the maximum number of apple pies that John can buy is 5 apple pies. Okay, so ito na yung maximum. And for the last question, I will leave this to you as an activity. So please answer this problem. You give me the math sentence, the mathematical sentence, and the answer, solution, and the answer to the question. Okay. Please upload this in the assignment dun sa Google Classroom na activity for lesson number 2. Okay? Ayan. So, bye.